Hi everyone. As you may know, my wife is pregnant, and so we've been thinking about, and we're having a daughter, and we're calling her Emily, and so she's like 5 months pregnant now. So we thought, right, well, we don't know where we're going to be living, so maybe we'll start to think about clothing and stuff. So when we first got back to the UK, my wife was ill, and some paramedics came round. And one of the guys he had 4 children. And he said, well, we're not having any more. And I've got loads of clothes, so do you want them? And then we didn't hear anything about it for like 6 weeks. So we thought, oh, okay, maybe he's changed his mind or something. And then last week he came round with 2 huge bags full of clothes. And we were like, oh my God, we're so lucky. So I'll just show you here. So over this side, look, we've started sorting it out, and here we've got we've sorted out into piles. So this is like first size, but when you look at my wife's baby bump now, and I'll put a picture up. I'm not sure first size is going to be very useful, or for a very, very short period of time. But anyway, we've got first size here. We've sorted these. Then we've got 0 to 3 months. 3 to 6 months, and then there are other like older ones, and we've got loads here we still need to sort. Oh, and also, like, look, it's like a little person. Look, hello, see, they're walking. So funny, such little clothes. And they're quite neutral actually. The paramedics family, they had boys, but the clothes are quite neutral anyway, so yeah, it's cool, really cool. So we're very, very lucky. And the other day, my mum was looking on the Facebook marketplace, and she started looking at prams, pushchairs, and there was one on there which was like 50 quid, and so we bought it. So here is the like, I don't know what you'd call this bit, the cot. I think it's the cot. And then we've got like a car seat, which has got like a handle, so we can kind of, like, if we go on the metro or wherever, somewhere, and we don't want to cut up the big thing. And then we've got like a stand here as well for the cot. So we've got everything here really. And then the other day, a friend of my mum's said, oh, my son has a daughter, and she's 2, and she's grown out of her clothes. Would Tony like some of the clothes for Emily? And we thought, yeah, all right, great. So I went and picked them up, and there's another huge bag of clothes. So I'll go downstairs and I'll show you those. Okay, so down, there's not much light in here. I'll go this way. Down here in my mum's living room, and here, look, is put it over here, another huge bag of clothes, baby clothes, and these actually are for a girl, so we haven't really properly sorted these out yet. I can't do it with one hand, but look, little shoe, isn't it nice? Yeah, little shoe. So yeah, so cool. And there's loads of stuff in here basically, and a lot of it's pink, which, sorry, you probably just saw right on my nose then. So here's one, look, born to wear glitter. So Emily's going to be wearing a lot of cool clothes, and we're so lucky. I mean, there's so much money's worth of clothes here that, you know, it's amazing. And then this friend of my mum's also said to us, you know, do you want anything else? And she had some other stuff in the boot. So she's got like a little kind of play pen. So there's this bit, and then there's this bit here, which is like, I'm not exactly sure how it goes together. I've got to figure that out. And then there was this this Gruffalo book, which is a bit bizarre. So I thought I'd be able to read to Emily, see, in English. So it'll be like, a mouse took a stroll through the deep dark wood. Apparently that's a mouse. A fox saw the mouse and the mouse looked good. Apparently foxes go ding-a-ling-a-ling. So anyway, I'll be reading this to Emily because I'll be reading to her in English. My wife will be reading to her in her language. So we maybe can have a bilingual child. We'll see. And then what else do we have? This is an old case. There was also like sort of a swimming thing and loads of bedding and also like some baby blankets and then some toys as well. Look, even some toys, a ball and this kind of thing which does something. Okay. And then this thing, which I guess... So hours of fun for me and Emily, but mostly me. And yeah, and then some other bits and bobs here. So really, really cool. We're so lucky that we've got all this stuff donated to us. So yeah, I mean, it's amazing how people have, kind of helped us here. We're really grateful for it. They know about our predicament. We've lost, half of our work and half of our salaries, and like so many people, been through trauma and everything, and but we're doing much better now, luckily, and we're really grateful to them for this. So yeah, but anyway, a little update for you. So hope you're doing well. See you again soon.